Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that your blog has been making money while you slept. New posts have gone live, traffic is increasing, and passive income is flowing in, all without you lifting a finger. Blogging has always been one of the best ways to make money online, with people using it to fund vacations, buy homes, and even build massive online businesses. But let's be honest, writing daily posts, dealing with SEO, and constantly chasing traffic can be exhausting and time-consuming. This is why many people give up before they ever see results. Now everything has changed. With the power of artificial intelligence, you no longer have to spend hours writing blog posts, researching keywords, or struggling with SEO optimization. AI does all the hard work for you, allowing you to generate high-quality blog content in just a few minutes, optimize it for search engines, and even publish it automatically. Imagine clicking a button and receiving a fully written, SEO-friendly article that looks like this: well-structured, engaging, and ready to drive traffic. No writing skills? No problem. No experience in SEO? AI handles it for you. No time to manage a blog? AI runs it while you focus on making money. But before you jump in, the first step to making money from blogging is choosing the right niche. The easiest way to find a profitable niche is by using Google Trends and Google News. Google Trends shows you exactly what people are searching for in real time. This is an incredible tool for tapping into topics that are already in high demand. Just go to Google Trends, check out the Trending Now section, and you'll instantly see the hottest topics that people are actively searching for. Another great method is using Google News, which categorizes trending news into sections like business, technology, entertainment, and health. These categories are always relevant, meaning you'll never run out of content ideas. For example, the technology niche is constantly evolving, making it a perfect choice. Within tech, you can focus on sub-niches like mobile gadgets, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, or computing. The key is choosing a trending sub-niche that will continuously attract traffic over time. Once you've selected your niche, the next step is content creation. And this is where SEOWriting AI makes everything effortless. Instead of spending hours writing and optimizing blog posts, you can use this AI-powered platform to generate SEO-friendly, high-quality content in just one click. First, go to the SEOWriting AI website and create an account. They offer a free plan where you can generate up to 5 articles and 25,000 words, so you can try it out before committing to a paid plan. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you'll see different tools and options to create content. The one-click blog post generator is the main tool you'll use to create blog posts. Here's how it works. Enter your blog topic. Copy a trending topic from Google News or Google Trends and paste it into the AI tool. This will ensure your content is relevant and has the potential to rank high in search results. Then, set your preferences. Customize your article by selecting language, article type like news, reviews, guides, or how-to articles, and pick from different sizes like short, medium, long, or extra long, depending on how in-depth you want your article to be. Select a tone of voice like informational, conversational, or professional to match your brand style. Choose a country where you want your blog to rank. If you're targeting US readers, select United States for better optimization. The platform offers multiple AI models, but the most powerful option is DeepSeek R1+, Real-Time SCP, which creates highly optimized content that ranks well on Google. The brand voice feature lets you train the AI to write in your style by analyzing existing content from your website or a document you upload. Once you've configured your settings, click Run, and in just a few seconds, your fully optimized SEO-friendly blog post will be ready. A well-structured blog post isn't complete without engaging visuals. SEOWriting AI allows you to create and add high-quality images and videos to make your content more appealing. You can generate AI-enhanced images, choose an image style like photo, anime, cartoon, cyberpunk, and let the AI create eye-catching visuals for your blog. You can enable the video embedding feature, and the platform will find and insert relevant YouTube videos directly into your post. This helps keep readers engaged and improves SEO rankings. One of the best features of SEOWriting AI is that it allows you to publish directly to your WordPress site without manually copying and pasting content. Install the SEO Writing AI plugin on your WordPress website, activate the plugin, and connect it to your SEO Writing AI account. Click Publish, and your AI-generated blog post will be live on your site instantly. Now that your blog is running on autopilot, it's time to start making money. There are 3 main ways to monetize your blog. First is Google AdSense, where you sign up for Google AdSense and start earning money by displaying ads on your site. The more traffic your blog gets, the more money you'll make. Second is affiliate marketing, where you promote products and services by adding affiliate links to your blog posts. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Third, you can sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content directly from your blog to generate extra income. SEO Writing AI offers a free plan where you can generate up to 5 articles and 25,000 words at no cost. If you want to create more content, you can upgrade to a paid plan. The starter plan costs $19 per month, allowing you to generate up to 50 articles per month, while the professional plan costs $79 per month, letting you generate up to 250 articles per month. If you're serious about starting your blog, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Use the coupon code SKILLS25 to get 25% off your subscription. If you've ever wanted to make money through blogging but felt overwhelmed by the effort it takes, this is your chance. AI has completely changed the game, making it easier than ever to create high-quality content, optimize it for search engines, and monetize it without spending hours on manual work. With tools like SEO Writing AI, you can turn blogging into a full-time income stream with minimal effort. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried using AI for blogging, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.